Hello and welcome back to Baby Eatz. Today we are making Cajun Chicken Orzo. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, Cajun seasoning, salt, olive oil, butter, onions. We have garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, tomato paste, chicken broth, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Green bell pepper and red bell pepper, garlic powder, tomato basil seasoning. And we have our orzo pasta. Here we're going to add our butter to our pan. And we're going to add our oil. And we're just going to melt those two together. Now here we're going to add our chicken. You want to pan fry your chicken until it starts to color. And now we're going to add in our Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and pepper. We're going to sprinkle that over our chicken. And here we're just going to mix our chicken with our seasonings. And now I'm going to add in the tomato basil seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle about a half of a teaspoon. And we're just going to mix that together. And now we're going to cook our chicken until it is done. Here we're going to add in our red onions. We're going to add in our green bell peppers. We're going to add in our red bell peppers. And we're just going to mix that together. And we're going to cook that for a couple of minutes to soften up our onions and our bell peppers. Here I'm adding in chopped garlic. When you add in the tomato paste, you want to stir to combine. And we're going to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. You want to stir frequently until that is covering our chicken. And now we're going to add in our orzo pasta. And we're just going to mix that in. And here we're going to add in our broth, which this is a vegetable broth, not a chicken broth. We're going to bring that to a simmer. We're going to cover our pan and we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. You want to stir frequently. Our orzo pasta will absorb the liquid. You want to keep your eye on your pan and add a little extra water as needed if the pan gets too dry. Here we're going to add in our heavy cream. So you want to test your orzo pasta to make sure that it's done. You don't want it overdone. When your orzo pasta is done, then you want to add in our sun-dried tomatoes. And we're going to sprinkle over our Parmesan cheese. And we added a little greenery. We added some basil to the top. We have made Cajun Chicken Orzo Pasta. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.